Here's the LAWNMASTER OcuMow robot mower. I'm gonna show you a couple of work it did at my backyard. So before that, here's a quick check at the unit as it was opened up from the box. So you will have the magnetic strips that was with the purchase, and you also have one battery and one charger. And here's the battery compartment, so make sure before using your battery is charged full. You will need that. And this is a it's small, and you can carry it with that carry handle. Once you've laid it in the grass, click the start button for 3 seconds. You have to wait until the green moving light stops. So you see that green light, you need to wait until it stops solid green. And once it stops, you can click the auto mow and then click the start again, and it will start moving. Make sure if there's no wall or fence around, and you want it, because you can only do like small section at a time. So use the magnetic strips and make sure your grass is not longer than 2.5 inches. I know this is supposed to be a robot mower, but there's a lot of work to do before you actually lay it down to the grass. It has to have no heavy objects, that could damage the small blades. And here, before you leave it in the grass, you have to make sure that it's actually cutting the grass, because I've left it for minutes and it was not, because sometimes you will have to take the key off or the battery off to make sure that it works. And this is how it moves. It's very slow. So if you're impatient with how it moves, it's really slow. And right now I'm just testing it. It's just without the strip, and you can do like a spiral cut if you want. And the grass that I'm cutting on this side of the lawn is actually like over 2.5 inches, but I was trying it for the first time and see if it actually cuts longer than that, and it does. But just to be safe, because I'm gonna show you the blades are really small. There's two small blades that cuts the grass here. See, if you're cutting long grass, it's gonna get stuck in the blade. But here's the work that it's done. So it does work. It cuts it. This is for set up to 1 inch, actually 1.5 inch. And then if you want to leave it alone, so you can just stay inside, now there's the strip. You can buy additional magnetic strip so you can cover longer area, but there's two 33, well, it's the total of 33 feet of magnetic wires or magnetic strip. So you can create a virtual fence within your yard, but it does work, and that's the result. I'm gonna keep adding the videos, but that's it for now. You can hit stop when you're done.